got him.
Okay, we hit him. Okay.
We hit him. We don't know. Okay, let the other ones come in. There, more's coming in.
Where'd he go?
Flew over that way. Okay, so
Do we want to go get a kill shot on him?
he's down there somewhere. I know you hit him.
Yeah.
Corn Loper with the kill shot.
Well, it wasn't a kill shot, but
Probably. I saw he flew.
he flew over that way.
More will come in if we just wait. Cause
That was I'm not kidding. Literally, we didn't have time. We had just filmed our first video, and literally right after we finished, which kind of sucks, we were talking a little bit, and we were uploading, and then
we just saw.
there they were. We grabbed the camera, we turned it on, and it is now. So. Here, I'm gonna go see. I'm gonna try
Let's
to
go check. Let's go track him down.
And if not, if he's on the ground flying around, then we're gonna get a kill shot on him. So.
Yeah. So once again, here is our fort. Just built. Grab the pellets. Grab a pellet. Oh, there's already a pellet in there. Okay. Grab the gun. Oh gosh, I hit the bottom. Let's try to track this thing down.
Wait, is this still videotaping?
Yeah.
Just let me see.
Okay, good. Track this sucker down. Let's go. We know he's in there somewhere. If we see feathers, you hit him. It's over here somewhere. Okay.
Oh, there he is! Oh, he dropped right here.
Oh yeah.
Nice.
Let's see what damage that thing did.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
You've got to be kidding me. That thing
The
tore it
pellets
up.
that we have, they're
Hollow points.
They're hollow points, and when they go inside, they catch an air pocket, and the air pocket just explodes.
It's crazy.
It's kind of.
Well, guys, that is our first kill.
of our season.
So, hope you guys like it. Just subscribe.
Next bird.
So,
We sat and waited all
by the way,
morning.
this is Corn Loper. He is wearing my jacket. That's why it says Lewis, and I am Hunter Lewis.
But we're like brothers from another mother.
Yeah. So, I think that wraps it on this video. See you next time.
Okay, yeah, fine.